Alright, check it out. I am going for a test drive on the Honda Monkey here. Here we go. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to have to get off so that you can see this, but I'm in the Honda booth 2018 SEMA show. And the $4,000 Honda Monkey is back for 2019. I will give you guys a little quick spin of this bad boy. Here's the card from Honda. Go down really quick for anyone who wants to read it. Here it goes. This is the red. I think there's also a yellow, so you've got the circular mirrors there, color coordinated, glossy fuel tank, sexy shield here on the exhaust. It's 125 cc. Very cool. Not bad for 125 cc's. 4,000 bucks. I think it's out now.
That's new? Oh shit.
That'd be nice for the beaches.
Yeah, it's tagged. It is tagged. Looks like the old like QA50s. That would be cool.
I don't know if you guys remember us talking about the Honda Monkey coming back on the podcast, but if you watch a podcast, but there it goes. Pretty cool, something cool here in the Honda booth along with all the other cool Honda cars. To me, that's the coolest one though.
Yes,
That's the one.
Yes, some states like the Ruckus.